Hey guys, super excited. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox and take a look at this air purifier from Lifubide. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay guys, opening up the air purifier from Lifubide. So here, as we open up, you'll see there is a list of instructions. Right here at the top, this is your owner's manual, nicely packaged right here for you to take a look at. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold it back up, set it aside here for the moment so we can get the actual device out of the box here. Also, we have the power cable. And then we go ahead and take off the styrofoam to reveal the pack or the air purifier itself. All right, guys, so here it is out of the box. And I just want to show you real quick too how well this comes packaged. You've got this real thick styrofoam on all sides, keeping this safe, as well as on the bottom. And there was a block on the top too. So here is the machine out of the box. Super excited about this. There is a LCD screen right here too. It says remove before use, tear off, so don't mind if I do. There we go. And that's gonna go ahead and display a bunch of information for us. And you'll see here at the top, we have this great system here, which is nice. Keeps you away from the moving parts, which is safe. Also too, you've got all your controls here on the side. So on, off, your fan speeds indicated there by some lights, auto, sleep, light, and lock functions there. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into the manual, learn a little bit more about that. So here's some QR codes, so you can download different apps to control. And then also too at the bottom, there is your plug. So that is for your power. Very nice and neat how it's tucked in there. I like that. Good design. And then here on the side, and also too, this seems to open. So let's go and see if we can tear this off. Let's take these little stickers off here so we can go ahead and open up the side. And there we go. There is the HEPA filter. So that is the filtration side. You'll see there too, it's all in plastic, so it's brand new. And you'll just need to pull that out of the plastic before you use it. But there's also sensors on here that to let you know when the filter needs to be replaced, which is really helpful. So that's going to help to keep that on top of things and nice and clean for you. And then one other thing too about this is that it's on wheels and it moves. See how that just spins so effortlessly. I'm really a big fan of that. So awesome stuff. I'm gonna go ahead, get this guy plugged in and show you how. Okay guys, so first thing is first, you need to remove each HEPA filter. So there are two. Here's the first one. We're gonna go ahead and pull that out. Turn this guy around. And then here is the second one. Right there, pull that out too. And we need to remove these from the plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of here. Okay, now we have it out of the package. I'm gonna show you one thing too. These are RFID enabled. So actually, this machine can read the RFID chips and let you know when it is time to change the filters, which is super nice and convenient. But we'll go ahead and place that filter in there just like that. And then we can go ahead and cover up the grate. We'll do the same thing with the other filter as well. Okay guys, so here it is. Got the HEPA filter out of the box. A couple things I want to share with you real quick. The first thing is that it is a true HEPA H13 filter. So that's proven to remove about 99.99% of all airborne particles down to 0.1 microns. So that is things like pollen dust, pet dander, skin flakes, things like that. Any smoke, odors, and things like that. Actually, I had it running in my kitchen the other night, and my roommate was cooking food, and you couldn't even smell when he was cooking afterwards. It basically just took it right out of the air, which is amazing. And even when he was cooking during it, it removed the scent from traveling across the house. All of our controls are over here on the side. They're nice kind of capacitive touch controls. So all you have to do is just tap that and it'll take your input. So the way this works is that there are filters here and here on the air purifier. It's pulling in air and then it's pushing it out the top and recirculating it throughout the house. So right now it is on speed 2. So you can even hear that. I don't know if you can. It's very, very quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up. There's speed 3, speed 4, and speed 5. So this is as fast as it goes. This is also as loud as it'll get. On this mode, it's going to be filtering 3,000 square feet every 30 minutes. So it is a little louder at this rate, but this isn't really where you're going to be using it too often unless you really need to move air. Typically, you're going to be moving it at a rate on the first or second setting. So it's going ahead and it's dropping back down to that right now. And it's not even quite there yet. There it is. There's setting number 1, and it's running in the background. I can barely hear it being right next to it, which is really nice. So if you're looking to just have it run and on a low, slow draw and just pull in air and circulate it and purify it throughout the day, this is great. You'll never even know it's running. There's also a sleep mode, which puts it in this lowest setting as well, and then also turns off the front LCD display. And then there is the light button, which turns on the display. So you can see it right now. And then if you click that once, it typically just turn off, or you can lock it once you click it. I got locked in place right now. But basically you can see it's showing me that I'm connected to Wi-Fi here at the top. It's showing me that I'm running 3 PM 2.5s, which are basically the particle measurements. So I'm running at 3 of those. So that's very good. Anything below 12 is considered very clean air. So, and then we've got this indicator down here, which is green right now. Sometimes it's yellow. It can also be red. If it is green, that means your air quality is great. If it's yellow, that means it's so-so, and red means it's working on fixing it there for you. So, but if you get this, it's always going to be green because you're going to be purifying all your air. So, really nice there. I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of some close-up. Once again, guys, here is that display. So you can see we are connected to Wi-Fi. We are running at 3 particles right there, and then we are green from the leaf, so we are looking good. And then coming up over here, you can go ahead and see, here's our on-off speeds, auto, sleep, light, and lock. So you can see how easy that was to just tap, and it just goes like that. And this is blowing air back up out of here after it pulls it in from the grates, which is very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hit the off button here, turn that off for now, and there it is. Okay guys, so I just wanna show you real quick too. Here's the app, and we have it connected to the air purifier. It is off right now. If I hit this, you just heard it react, it's turning on. So you can see it over there. This is our particle readout here. So it's reading 3, which is what we just showed there as well. And then also you can go ahead and when you come in here, you can adjust things. So if you want auto, sleep, or manual, you can adjust those different modes. I can also adjust the speed right here from the main menu. So there, you can hear it's kicking up. Turn the speed up real quick. And then also too, there's different settings in here as well too. If you want the light on, you can do that, and then keep the LCD display on, standby detection, and child lock as well too. You can also set a schedule for it. Right there, I can go ahead and add, and then I can tell it, when to turn on, to repeat, all that kind of stuff, tell it to turn on, turn off, whatever that may be, and I can set that to run, which is super nice. The app is really responsive. It's giving me no problems at all, so I'm really happy with this. Big display here showing what's going on. There's your wind speed level, and then just turn it right off. Super responsive and does a great job. So if you're looking for a smart air purifier, this is a great option.